Hi everyone, welcome to this demo video on how to set up RSKj for development. This video will take us through a step-by-step guide on how to set up your RSKj on Mac. I want you to also know that RSKj can be installed on major platforms, including Linux and Windows. You will need the following minimum system requirements in order to set up your RSKj. 2 cores, 8 GB RAM, 50 GB storage, OS 64. You also need to install Java 8 JDK for Mac. Over here, I have my terminal window open and a test file. We have the different steps that we're going to go through here and also the commands that we'll be using. Step 1. Navigate to RSKj's release page and download jar file using this URL github.com/rsksmart/rskj/release. Over here, you'll see that we have the latest version of RSK, and that is what we want. Remember, we don't want other versions, we want the latest versions. And if you scroll down, below assets, you will see a file called rskj-core-3.2.0-irois-all.jar. This is the file we are interested in. So go ahead and download this file. When installing and running RSKj node, it is always good practice to verify that your copy is legitimate. The output checksum should match the checksum seen on the release page. So we are going to use this command to get our checksum, and we'll compare our checksum with what's on the RSK release page. So go ahead and copy the command into your terminal. We got a response. We are going to compare what we have here to what's on RSK release page. If you see over here on the RSK release page, we have a checksum. Now let's compare with ours. If you do that, you'll find out that they are same. What this means is that we have been able to authenticate our local jar file that we downloaded. The next step is to run RSKj node using the following command. Go ahead and copy into your terminal. What this means is that RSKj has started running locally. Okay, if you see no error, what that means is that you have your local RSKj now running. Before we go into the next command, it is a good practice not to close this terminal, because if you do, you are going to stop the instance of RSK that is running locally. So we'll open a new terminal in order to use further commands. This is a new terminal. Now that we have successfully installed and have started RSKj locally, the next thing will be to connect to it over HTTP. So open a new terminal and run the following commands. We got a response. We have been able to issue a JSON RPC request to our local RSKj over HTTP, and we got a response. You can also enter other JSON RPC posts, okay, in the body of your query. Thank you very much. I hope this is helpful.